All right, buckle up because today we're diving into one of the most iconic cars of all time. The BMW E30, yes, the legendary E30, the car that every car enthusiast either dreams about, owns, or claims they'll buy someday when the prices drop. Spoiler alert, they won't. This thing's value is climbing faster than Dogecoin in 2021, and if you're still waiting for a good deal, good luck. You might end up paying with a kidney and your firstborn. So, what's the deal with the E30? Why is it the poster child of the 80s, right up there with mullets, synth music, and Arnold Schwarzenegger? Let's get into it. First off, the E30 isn't just a car, it's a lifestyle. You don't just drive an E30, you become part of a community that worships this boxy beast like a four-wheeled deity. Seriously, mention E30 at a car meet and watch as people flock around you like you've just discovered the fountain of youth. This car's reputation is legendary. It's like the Bruce Lee of the automotive world, small, but packs a serious punch. Let's talk about design. The E30 looks like it was chiseled out of granite sharp lines, boxy proportions, and those signature round headlights that make it look like it's always judging you for driving something newer. It's got that timeless style that just screams, "I'm too cool for school," and honestly, probably was. Under the hood, depending on which model you get, you're looking at engines that range from the humble 1.6 liter to the mighty 2.5 liter inline six that makes the 325i such a legend. The engine note, it's pure Bavarian symphony. Forget your fancy hi-fi systems. All you need is the E30 at 6,000 RPMs blasting through a tunnel to remind you that life is good. But the real magic of the E30 is how it drives. BMW didn't just slap their ultimate driving machine slogan on this thing for fun. The steering is so direct, it feels like you're communicating telepathically with the car. You think about turning, and before your brain can process it, the E30's already doing it. It's not just driving, it's an experience. It's like strapping yourself into a go-kart that somehow passed German engineering school with flying colors. And let's not forget the drifting potential. The E30's rear-wheel drive setup makes it a slidey boy's dream. You could put down grip tires, or you could embrace the inevitable and just send it sideways around every corner. Your call. Now, no discussion of the E30 is complete without mentioning the holy grail, the M3. This thing is the stuff of legends. It's like the E30 went to the gym, bulked up, and came back ready to dominate. The E30 M3 is the car that taught BMW how to do performance right, razor-sharp handling, a high-revving four-cylinder engine, and flared fenders that make it look like it skipped leg day. For good reason. But here's the deal. You're not finding an E30 M3 without selling a few organs. The regular E30, though, still accessible, kind of. If you manage to find one that isn't rusted to oblivion or turned into a track missile by someone who totally knows what they're doing, you'll have yourself a gem. And trust me, whether you're cruising through town or showing off at a car meet, people will notice. Owning an E30 is like stepping into a time machine. You're back in the 80s, cruising down the street, windows down, blasting some Depeche Mode while pretending you're in a European touring car race. Sure, modern cars might be faster, more comfortable, and definitely have more cup holders, but they don't have the soul, the charm, or the raw connection you get with this car. So what's the verdict? If you've got the chance to own a BMW, take it. If you already have one, congratulations, you're living the dream. And if you're still dreaming, well, better start saving because these things aren't getting cheaper. Anyway, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this trip down memory lane, hit that like button, drop a comment, and maybe even subscribe. Who knows, maybe I'll save up for an E30 myself someday. Peace.